Hello! Today we're disassembling the ASUS ExpertBook Ultra for a repair guide. Before starting, ensure that you back up your files. Also, have all parts ready. First, check the safety precautions in the ASUS service manual. Next, take proper ESD precautions and power off the laptop. Remove the 10 screws. Lift up the keyboard module and use the plastic blade to pry open the bottom case. Use a plastic blade to pry open the bottom case. Remove the bottom case. Paste the new waterproof label. Assemble the bottom case at a slight tilt at upper side first. Gently press down on the bottom case until it clicks into place. Fasten the 10 screws. Remove the 2 screws. Remove the battery con hold ASM. Use the tweezers to flip the mylar. Pull the mylar to disconnect the connector. Connect the black cable side first. Connect the red cable side. Align and install the battery con hold ASM. Fasten the 2 screws. Remove the 1 screw. Remove the SSD. Align and insert the SSD into the slot. Fasten the 1 screw. Remove the 6 screws. Remove the battery with battery cable. Align and paste the 2 new BTM bat sponges. Align the screw holes and positioning pins to assemble the battery. Secure the 6 screws. Disconnect and release the speaker L cable. Use the plastic blade to remove the speaker L. Disconnect and release the speaker R cable. Use the plastic blade to remove the speaker R. Align the rubber holes to assemble the speaker L. Tidy up and connect the speaker L cable. Align the rubber holes to assemble the speaker R. Tidy up and connect the speaker R cable. Remove the 6 screws. Remove the wobble bracket L. Remove the 6 screws. Remove the wobble bracket R. Follow the reverse screw numbers to release the 3 screws. Remove the thermal module. Align the screw holes to assemble the thermal module. Follow the screw numbers to fasten the 3 screws. Align the screw holes to assemble the wobble bracket L. Fasten the 6 screws. Align the screw holes to assemble the wobble bracket R. Fasten the 6 screws. Disconnect the CCW fan connector. Remove the 1 screw. Remove the CCW fan. Disconnect the CW fan connector. Remove the 2 screws. Remove the CW fan. Align the screw hole to assemble the CCW fan. Fasten the 1 screw. Connect the CCW fan connector. Align the screw holes to assemble the CW fan. Fasten the 2 screws. Connect the CW fan connector. Remove the Wi-Fi mylar. Disconnect the antenna cables. Disconnect the 4 connectors. Remove the 1 screw. Remove the IOFPC bracket R. Remove the 1 screw. Remove the IOFPC bracket L. Disconnect and tear off the 2 IOFPC connectors. Disconnect and tear off the 1 IOFPC connector. Remove the 3 screws. Remove the LCM FPC bracket assembly. Disconnect the LCD and camera FPC connectors. Remove the 2 screws. Remove the I/O bracket R assembly. Remove the 3 screws. Remove the main board. Remove the 6 screws. Disconnect and remove the 3 connectors. Connect the 3 IOFPCs. Fasten the 6 screws. Align the I/O port to assemble the main board. Fasten the 3 screws. Install the I/O bracket R assembly. Fasten the 2 screws. Connect the LCD and camera FPC connectors. Align the screw holes to assemble the LCM FPC bracket assembly. Fasten the 3 screws. Paste the 3 I/O FPCs onto the keyboard module. Connect the 3 I/O FPC connectors. Install the I/O FPC bracket L. Fasten the 1 screw. Install the I/O FPC bracket R. Fasten the 1 screw. Connect the 4 connectors. Connect the antenna cables. Align and paste the Wi-Fi mylar. Remove the I/O bracket L assembly. Disconnect the tweeter connector. Remove the 1 screw. Use the plastic blade to loosen the I/O board. Flip the I/O board to 180 degrees. Remove the FP-Con captain. Disconnect the FPFFC from the I/O board. Remove the I/O board. Remove the FP-Con captain. Disconnect and remove the FPFFC. Connect the FPFFC. Align and paste the new FP-Con captain. Connect the FPFFC to the I/O board. Align and paste the new FP-Con captain. Flip and install the I/O board. Fasten the 1 screw. Connect the tweeter connector. Align and install the I/O bracket L assembly. Release the LCD and camera cables. Remove the 2 screws. Remove the antenna. Align the screw holes to assemble the antenna. Fasten the 2 screws. Attach the LCD and camera cables. Remove the tweeter speaker R side. Remove the tweeter mesh. Remove the tweeter speaker L side. Remove the tweeter mesh. Paste the tweeter mesh. Install the tweeter speaker R side. Paste the tweeter mesh. Install the tweeter speaker L side. Tear off the two conductive cloths. Remove the two screws. Pull out SYSBKT adhesive. Remove the system bracket. Tear off the TP water sponge. Tear off the TP-Con acetate tape. Disconnect and remove the TP-FFC. Rotate the device. Flip the keyboard to 120 degrees and place it on the edge of the table. Remove the 4 screws. Separate the LCD module. Align and place the hinges of the LCD module on the screw holes. Fasten the 4 screws. Turn the device over and place the screen on the table. Close the device. Rotate the device. Connect the TP-FFC and paste it onto the keyboard module. Align and paste the new TP-Con acetate tape. Align and paste the new TP water sponge. Align and paste the new SYSBKT adhesive onto the system bracket. Align the screw holes to assemble the system bracket. Tear off the release paper. Fasten the 2 screws. Paste the 2 conductive cloths. If you need to replace the LCD module, please follow the repair flow. If you need additional help, please contact the Service Center. Welcome to subscribe to ASUS support channel. Like the video or share your comments below. We are happy to provide you with more useful information.